round 2 for the money. Yeah. So right about now, give me Jumoke and give me Baba T. Hi, Jumoke.
Hello.
Hi, Baba T. You know the rules. You place one hand behind your back, second hand beside the buzzer in front of you. If you think you know the topmost or correct answer, please hit the buzzer. The point value for this round is still single. Are you ready?
Good to go.
Yes.
Good to go?
Good.
Awesome stuff. I love the ginger. Okay. We surveyed 100 people, and the top 8 answers are on the board. Name something a shy person will do during a presentation. Baba T.
Smile.
Smile. He says smile. Is it on the board? I don't know. But survey says... Okay. Jumoke, name something a shy person would do during a presentation.
Stutter.
Stutter. Stutter.
Number 1.
She says stutter. Survey says... Yo! Do you want to play or do you want to pass?
Play.
Play.
They're playing. Thank you very much, Baba T. Dooms.
Yeah.
Name something a shy person would do during a presentation.
A shy person might, laugh.
Laugh. Dooms says laugh. Is that on the board?
Yes.
Survey
Yes.
says... Yo! Falilat, in your line of business, do you always have to do presentations?
Yeah.
Name something a shy person would do during a presentation.
I think for me, a shy person will repeat the same. When you're shy, you keep repeating what you've said before.
She says...
There's a repeat.
There's a repeat. As a shy person during the presentation, you would repeat what you've said before. Repeat is what she says. Woo. Is that on the board? Survey says. Yo. Osage, how are you?
Fantastic.
So tell us a little thing about Osage that we don't know, that Laulu does not know.
That Laulu does not know. I used to be an amateur boxer.
Really?
Yeah, so amateur, not...
I know, but that means where if you see him, 3 die.
Well, I mean, I did 5 fights.
Whoa.
So that was back when I was in university. So
Back in university?
Yeah.
But you don't get in fights. You seem like a really cool
I'm
guy.
now cool, calm, collected.
You're not cool, calm, collected. Let's give it up for Osage, guys.
For Laulu to fight for me.
So Laulu will do the fighting for you.
Yeah.
All right, Osage, you've got 2 strikes. The lovely little family can steal this from you again.
No problem.
No problem. You got this.
No pressure.
No pressure?
We got
You
this.
got this.
Yeah.
All right, Osage. Name something a shy person would do during a presentation.
Fidget.
Fidgets. Yep. A lot of fidgeting goes on when you're shy during a presentation. He says fidget. Survey says... Yo! Well done. Well done. Hey. So, Laulu, I ask you now, name something a shy person would do during a presentation.
I would say forget their lines.
Forget the lines. Everything where they don't plan, you want forget. Survey says, you. Jumoke, you got your team here.
Yes, I did.
2 strikes.
Yeah.
They can still take this away from you. Do you want them to?
No.
All right, Jumoke. Name something a shy person would do during a presentation.
They would...
Yo! All right, right, Tifa.
Okay.
Name something a shy person would do during a presentation.
Okay, they'll walk away from the stage.
They would walk away. They would walk away. Survey says, yay! My, oh my. Let's reveal number 6. Be silent. Number 5, blush. Number 4, cry. Number 3, shade. And the top answer, number 1, avoid gazing.